Hi everyone, this is Asma Mushtaq from the EEVIBES, and here I am going to show you when you will launch the IDE software. Then you can see this window. The first step is to go to the tools and then select the Arduino board from here. Since I have already selected the Arduino UNO, so it should be selected like that. Otherwise you can see variety of the boards available here that you can use while programming. And the second step is to select the port for the communication. Since the USB port is connected with the Arduino board and your computer system, so that's why you need to select the port from here, and it should always be selected as CMOS Arduino or COM5 for Arduino UNO. Fine. Once you are done with the configuration of these two things, which is the first step, the next step is you need to understand what is meant by these tabs. So the first tab, if you will click on it, you can see it's saying verify. So this tab is actually used for verifying is there some mistake or not present in your code. When you will click on it, you can see the output window will show some message. So let's say if I make a mistake or I remove this semicolon sign and I save it and then I verify it, then there is some error present or some error appears, which is saying that error expecting some semicolon before the delay. Okay, so right here before the delay routine. Fine. So in this way you can actually test your code for errors. The next tab is upload. So this this tab will actually upload the written code to your Arduino board. Once you will do that, the code will be imported to the microcontroller of this Arduino board. Okay, the next step is actually debug. So this debugging is actually not supported for the Arduino UNO, so let's just ignore it, and let's just test this code for checking the built-in LED blinking functions. So for that, what I'm going to change, I am just going to write the 13 pin as for testing or blinking it. So let's just test it. There is no error, and then now let's just import it to the Arduino board, and you can see the built-in LED on the Arduino board is blinking continuously. Okay, thank you for watching.